Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this blush for eyeshadow using BLUSHSENSE from senegence, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. It's a game changer. Hey everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use blush or BLUSHSENSE that senegence has for eyeshadow. This is a color that I have never used before and I'm super excited. BLUSHSENSE is our senegence blush. It's long-lasting, waterproof, smudge-proof, anti-aging head skincare in it. It is great. I got this from a friend. She was having a sale because this is the old packaging. Now the old packaging is like this, but now they come in little airless pumps so you can get every last drop out and you don't need much. It goes a long ways. So you can use our BLUSHSENSE for bronzer, for blush, for your lips, for your eyes, and it is a cream to powder. So it goes on cream and it turns to powder and it's long lasting, does not smudge, does not budge, anything. A little bit goes a long ways. So taking off the tape. So I'm going to show you today how you can use it for eyeshadow. I'm so tired today. I've been just going. So I'm going to take a little cap. This is from my foundation. I still got stuff on it. I didn't even notice that. I'm going to wipe it off with a clean towel. Then I like most of the time when I use the bronze BLUSHSENSE. This is not coming off. Oh, there we go. Okay. A lot of times I put a little dot on the back of my hand, but this time I want to do it on a cap. That's probably way too much. And you're thinking, that's very light. It's not pigmented at all. Trust me, all of our products are very pigmented already. Even the lighter shades of ShadowSense. ShadowSense, that was totally a blooper. Then I'm going to I put on a lip gloss and sometimes I do that. So, so you can apply it with your finger right onto the lid. Whoa, do you see that? It like went from brown to pink. I'm definitely going to take a picture of this. So I will be right back. Okay, I am mind blown by the way it went from a light brown to a light pink. This stuff is amazing and you can use it for a lot of things. Whoa, I am digging this. It's almost like the shade Pretty and Pink. I'm in love, obsessed. So I'm going to I know that you are supposed to have a fluffy brush, but I am too lazy to get the new packaging out, so I'm just taking this and patting it in. I like to pat it in because I'm just used to that. Whoa, This is a one and done, so pretty. I don't have to add anything except maybe I'm going to add black mascara, black eyeliner pencil, and this is our Make Sense eyeliner pencil, and it is smudge proof and waterproof. It twists up. We have liquid eyeliners, so I really like this. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. So, I'm going to add the black eyeliner. It's a little heavy on the eyeliner, and you can keep adding color, more blushes if you want, but I think it's the perfect shade. If you've been around a while, I did add candlelight to my lid off camera before I added the blush sense. So simple, so easy. I love these blush senses that senegence has, and I will definitely put a link down below so that you can shop each of the blushes that you want. So you click that link, and I'm going to add my mascara and my lash primer. You click that link down below, and it'll take you to another page where then you will scroll down onto the second page. It's going to say my distributor's name at the top, but that is okay. I still got way too much. I will still get the credit. If you spend $100, you get free shipping, free samples, and your products. If you spend $150, you get free shipping, free samples, and a gift of some sort from senegence. We don't know what that is, just like you don't until you get it in the mail. So I'm going to add my waterproof mascara, but when you go to check out, right before you go to check out, you want to click, there's a box, preferred customer, right before you check out. You want to click on that because that's how you can support me, and that's how I can get products and bring them to you and show you. So if you spend $100, that helps me out quite a bit, but you have to click on that preferred customer link. So I have brushes in the drawer. Why don't I just use them? Okay. You can do up to 3 layers of this waterproof mascara. I'm only doing one. You can add, I don't think I need something to go in the corner, but you could totally put a shimmer in the corner. So I am so glad I opened this up on camera for you guys, because I was just gonna do it, but I wanted to see a reaction. So I'm going to finish up my contour and the rest of my face and come back with the end result for you guys. Okay, so I'm with the end result, and this is how it turned out. I am so amazed, blown away. So, if you would like to purchase, please click the link, and please click the box so that you can get 10% off if you live in the United States. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. That's what I'm here for. Please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell before you leave, and push that notification button so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.